this is Martin from Secret, the channel for learning about trading and investing. Welcome to weekly Stockpicks, the 3 Stockpicks that we are select for educational purpose and for it to study the charts and patterns. Probably you can review them, look at them, and then probably you can trade it to your discretion, right? So these are all momentum trade opportunities for information, and let's study the first one on my list. It's Aditya Birla Capital. It's a long call. For information, this is a holding company of the Aditya Birla Group, the financial services of that. That's having a 25% CAGR in the last 5 years, and it's pretty much decently going. Holding company of a big industrial group, business group in our country, right? So why we have picked up this stock is not because of the fundamental reasons. Primarily, it's about the technical analysis and showing a rounding pattern. Let's go to the charts. This is the charts that I'm saying. So these are rounding patterns that you see on the weekly charts. Weekly rounding bars are powerful. It didn't work out the last time it did that, 2021. It failed. But this time, when it a few months back, when it broke out of that rounding pattern, it did that in style with volumes, huge volumes, and then it formed a reversal, a retracement, and it's a handle, and thus a cup and handle pattern was formed. And now the handle part the price seems to have broken out of that handle part. It's very beautiful and powerful, and it can go till the height of that cup, is what sometimes technical analyst says. Ideally, it should move as much as the height of this cup. So that's a decent risk reward that we can look for. But the swing trades may extend to multiple weeks or probably months also. It may turn to a position only, then you can get the complete risk reward that is shown here. Probably, you can book the profits before that and then trail. Right. Another reason is that the volumes. Yes, this is a small negative. The volumes are good, almost near to the moving average, but it's not that great. While breaking out, it had good volumes, but at the cup and handle, the volume should have risen here, but it does not happen. So that's a small negative. And another one is a normal, and whenever the breakout happens first time after reversal, there would be a negative momentum levels. But I don't think that needs to be. That would get covered as soon as the momentum for the rise is up. The trend is crossed over to the bullish ones. Definitely, that's also no reason why the stock reasonable, very reasonable, just to till the next resistance that you can see there, right? So Aditya Birla Group. It's a long trade opportunity, for the next coming weeks and probably months, if you're converting that into positions. But these are primarily swing momentum trades, and then tight stop losses has to be, maintained. So the risk reward is also fairly good. We enter at 156, and then put a stop loss upon 139, and then target for 200. That's what one is to 2.5, and you can trade from there. You can enter in cash, enter the futures, or you can play the options, all of this. But trailing beyond that, near the support resistance zones would be an idea. Well, do that, right? So that's Aditya Birla Capital. Second one, NTPC. It's a long trade. 51% of government-owned company. This is National Thermal Power Corporation, and the dividend is super for this, 4%. Right? So it's a position bet also. Now, why technically why this is coming into our notices? These are the reasons, right? So from 2020 August or something, this trend line parallel channel is where the price has been moving. It goes up to the top of the trend channel, falls down, and moves up, and then so the price movement is very much within. But since last September, it has been consolidating within that parallel channel. Of course, it has not broken that since long. So that consolidation is every probability is that it can break out of this congestion zone, this consolidation, and reach further once again towards the top of that channel. So that's the opportunity, right? Parallel channel, and they break out consolidation towards the top of the parallel channel, and that's happening with decent above moving average volumes. So momentum is bullish, and the trend ADX indicator is also saying definite bullishness, right? So NTPC with a very good 4% yield can be swing or portional bot, but here it is put in as a momentum swing trade opportunities that may last 1 or 2 weeks max, right? So that's NTPC, the second trade. And the last one that we have is Jubilant FoodWorks. It's a short opportunity. Jubilant FoodWorks, it's a franchisee, master franchisee owner of the Terminus Pizza, Dunkin' Donuts, and all of these international brands. One of the largest food service companies. And why it's a short trade on the downside? Here we have It's a head and shoulder pattern on the weekly charts. If it walks out, it can be powerful. The dip can be as much as the height of the shoulder or the head. Right, it can be very good breakdown that can happen, but we're just going for short swing trades and tight stop losses. Stop loss will be when it is confirmed that it negates it down move and then it's not making down when it's reversing up. So the moment it moves upside, get out of the trade. Maximum 289, 269 ideal trend. You may get another opportunities for that, but tight stop loss are very much essential here. The reason is that the momentum is falling in the bearishness and further falling down below the average that is shown here in the RSI indicator. Trend is also, bearishness is increasing with strength. The strength is moving up. So momentum trend and the price patterns are negative and the short opportunity with reasonable risk reward of 1 is 1.5. Right. Not that great, but yeah, you can trade from there on. So entry has to be 418 and you have to put a tight stop loss at 469 or maximum 10 more points, 20 more points, 489 max if you're ready to take more risk. The moment the pattern is negated, you just come out of the trade because it's strong stocks. You can only have short string momentum trades when it's moving down, right? So momentum is good in the downside, so that's why we're taking. Get out the moment the momentum is reversing. Don't stay there because powerful stocks that can anytime move back. So have type stop loss and follow the rules. That's very important. 320 entry target is what you have to look for. With an entry at 418 and a type stop loss at 469, right? As usual, the cash segment or future segment or the options depending on the skill and capital sizing as per your portion sizing and portion sizing as per your capital sizing. All this can be followed as you do in any other trades, right? So that's a short side trade opportunity. Jubilant Food Fast Foods. So once again wrapping up, Aditya Birla long trade, DPC long and Jubilant Food short trade for the next coming weeks from the March 6th Monday onwards for 2 weeks swing trade opportunities, right? That's all. If you'd like to subscribe to the Telegram channels, follow the links that's given in the description as well. If you're watching this and then not subscribed, please subscribe and share to friends and colleagues and keep motivated to keep doing these videos every week. Right. Thanks for watching. Happy trading. Happy learning. Bye-bye.